Welcome all of you, dear student. I welcome you all to the class of mathematics BSc first year. So thank you once again, dear students. In the preceding section, we discuss about idempotent matrix and example, nilpotent matrix and example, elementary matrix and example, and transpose of matrix and example. Today we are discuss conjugate of a matrix. See the first term and condition of conjugate of matrix. If I is equal to under root minus 1, we know that, then z is equal to iy is called a complex number, where x and y, this x and y, any real numbers, if z is equal to x plus iy, this is a complete complex number, then z bar is equal to x minus iy is called the conjugate of the complex number z. We know the complex number if z is equal to x plus iy is called a complex number, then conjugate of a complex is z bar is equal to, z bar is denoted by conjugate, z bar is equal to x minus iy is called a complex number z. We have z into z bar. You know the z is the complex number, z bar is the conjugate complex number, is equal to, you know the value of z, x plus iy, and z bar is equal to x minus iy, is equal to multiply the both matrix, x into x square, x into minus iy means x I minus x iy, and here plus x iy, here I square is equal to 1, y into y square, I plus ixy minus ixy get cancelled, the value is x square plus y square, that is this value is a real value, that is a real value. Also, if z is equal to z bar, z is equal to z bar म्हणजे काय, कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर आणि कॉन्जुगेट ऑफ कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर आर सेम. यू नो कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर म्हणजे काय, एक्स प्लस आय वाय कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर, ज्या कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर रिअल आणि इमॅजिनरी पार्ट ठेवू शकतो त्याला म्हणतो आपण एक्स प्लस आय वाय, आणि कॉम्प्लेक्स कॉन्जुगेट इज डिनोटेड बाय झेड बार इज इक्वल टू एक्स मायनस आय वाय. Also z is equal to z bar, then how to write, you know the value of z, x plus iy is equal to z bar is equal to value x minus iy. Now definition, let A be a given matrix of order m by n over the complex number system, then a matrix obtained from capital A by replacing each of its element by either corresponding complex conjugate is called the conjugate of A, and is denoted by A, where A is also the same order m by n. I have repeat definition. Let capital A be a given matrix of order m by n. एखादा मॅट्रिक्स आहे त्याचे ऑर्डर काय असतील, m by n असतील, ओव्हर द कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर सिस्टीम, त्याच्यामध्ये जे कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर सिस्टीम असतील, ज्या ठिकाणी एक्स प्लस आय वाय असेल, complex number system, then a matrix obtained from A by replacing each of its element by either corresponding complex conjugates is called the conjugate of A, and is denoted by capital A, where capital A is also of the same order m by n. Thus, see the notation of A is equal to, this is a given matrix of order m by n. Okay, Aij is equal to the given matrix of order m by n. Then we know the complex conjugate A bar is equal to Bij. Bij is also given matrix of order m by n, where Bij, this Bij is equal to conjugate of Aij. Conjugate of Aij. See the example. If capital A is equal to, this matrix is 3 by 3 order, first row, second row and third row. First row is element 2 plus 3i, 4 minus 7i, 8, 5i plus 7 second, minus 8, 3i minus 8 in last row, 3, 5 plus I, 3 minus 2i. Here in this matrix, ह्या मॅट्रिक्समध्ये कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर कोणते आहेत, ज्या ठिकाणी रिअल पार्ट आणि इमॅजिनरी पार्ट असतील तो असेल तुमचा कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर. दॅट्स मीन्स 2 प्लस 3i, 4 मायनस 7i, 5i प्लस 7, 4i मायनस 3, 5 प्लस i आणि काय 3 मायनस 2i. ओके, तर ह्या कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबरला ह्याला काय करायचं आपल्याला कॉन्जुगेट. आणि कॉन्जुगेट करते वेळेस काय करतो, ज्या ठिकाणी इमॅजिनरी पार्ट असतो आयचा तो काय असतो त्याला काय करायचं आपला साइन चेंज करायचा. देन वी कन्वर्ट कॉन्जुगेट ऑफ अ कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर a bar is equal to, this first element is 2 plus 3i. Here this is the imaginary part of sign is plus, the replace sign 2 minus 3i, here minus 7i, here plus 7i, here 5i is a plus minus 5i, here 4i minus 4i minus 3, 5 plus I and 3 minus 2i, replace 3 plus 2i. How to convert complex, this matrix is a complex conjugate of a matrix. See the theorem. If complex conjugate of A and B, this is also A bar or B bar, this is also denoted by A bar and B bar, denote the conjugate of A and B respectively, then prove that first condition is A complex conjugate is equal to A complex is equal to A. I have already explained the definition here. Z is equal to Z bar, then x plus iy is equal to x minus iy. This is the first condition. Second condition is A plus B conjugate is equal to A conjugate plus B conjugate, where A and B are conformable for addition. ज्या वेळेसला A प्लस B कॉन्जुगेट असेल त्याला सेपरेट A कॉन्जुगेट प्लस B कॉन्जुगेट करता येईल. कधी, तर त्यावेळेसला A and B are conformable for addition. Hence तसेच A into B conjugate plus is equal to A conjugate into B conjugate. Now these are the A conjugate transpose of A conjugate transpose. The next definition, transpose conjugate of a matrix. याच्या अगोदर conjugate of a matrix भेटलाय. Conjugate of matrix is denoted by A bar. Is it right? Then transpose conjugate of a matrix. See the definition of transpose conjugate of a matrix is the transpose of a conjugate or conjugate of a transpose, both are same, of a matrix A is called transposed conjugate of A, and is denoted by a to the power theta or by a star. ह्या मॅट्रिक्सला ट्रान्सपोज ऑफ अ कॉन्जुगेट म्हणा किंवा कॉन्जुगेट ऑफ अ ट्रान्सपोज म्हणा. तर ए इज called transpose of a conjugate of capital A and it is denoted by a to the power theta or a star. It is denoted by a star. Thus, a star is equal to a conjugate transpose is equal to a transpose conjugate. Both are same. A conjugate transpose is equal to a conjugate transpose. This is a dash means transpose is equal to a transpose conjugate. Both are same. Thus, you know the A is equal to a matrix Aij, the order m by n, then A transpose is equal to A Ij, where Aij is equal to A conjugate of Ji. That is I comma jth elements of A transpose conjugate of a matrix is equal to the conjugate complex of the j comma ith element of matrix A. ट्रान्सपोज ऑफ मॅट्रिक्स माहिती आहे आपल्याला. ट्रान्सपोज ऑफ मॅट्रिक्सची डेफिनेशन्स काय? अ मॅट्रिक्स इन विच नंबर ऑफ रो ट्रान्सपोज नंबर ऑफ कॉलम. That means convert to row to column to row is known as the transpose of matrix. A conjugate of matrix means a conjugate is equal to a bar. This definition is the transpose conjugate of matrix. The transpose conjugate of matrix, conjugate of a transpose of a matrix capital A, any matrix, the order is m by n, is called a transpose conjugate matrix and it is denoted by a star. So students, I hope you understand this lecture. So next lecture is some definition and example. Stop here.